Welcome to our Block, formerly Square Cash, review. Thinking about this versatile financial app? Then stick around. App and product links are below. Block offers a user-friendly platform for peer-to-peer payments, small business transactions, and even crypto. Originally Square Cash, Block now serves individuals, freelancers, and businesses needing fast, secure money transfers. Splitting dinner bills, paying freelancers, or managing your business. Block's comprehensive features have you covered. Key features include easy peer-to-peer payments using email or phone numbers, instantly and fee-free, funded by your bank or debit card. Get the Cash Card, Block's customizable debit card, to spend your balance anywhere Visa's accepted, with instant discounts via the Boost feature. Block also integrates Bitcoin trading, a simple entry point for crypto newcomers or those wanting quick, secure transactions. For small businesses, Block accepts card payments via a virtual terminal, simplifying invoices and payments. Beyond crypto, invest in stocks commission-free, making Block a versatile personal finance tool. Block is perfect for anyone needing a streamlined way to send money, small businesses seeking affordable payment solutions, and those interested in a beginner-friendly approach to crypto and investing. For functionality, security, and design, Block is a robust financial app. Its intuitive interface and diverse features make it a must-try for personal and business use. Want simplicity and efficiency? Block delivers. Click the links below to get started and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.